or cultural backgrounds that are needed to take part in the Kirtan experience. All that matter is the spirit, the feeling. So just feel for it and sing. Okay? Okay. Okay, so Kirtan can be sung in various ways. You can go slow, you can go fast, you can go super fast like an express train, or you can go slow, super slow like a snail. So it's, it gets into the rhythm of the music. So the first Kirtan which we are going to start with is He Dayanidan, He Dayanidan. So the first Kirtan, we are focusing on Lord Ganesh. Again, you can, if you want, you can associate with a god, or it's Lord Ganesh who is sitting there, so you can have a, idol to look at, and he's a remover of obstacles. So maybe take this opportunity when you sing this, maybe think internally, let all my obstacles be removed. At the same time, let all the other obstacles, even who is surrounding us, let it all be removed. So you can just have that intention for the first Kirtan. So let me repeat, let me tell once so you can actually, get a word. It's He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan. Can we repeat it? He Daya Nidan, 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 He Daya Nidan. So next comes Buddhi, Sadhana, Buddhi, Buddhi, Sadhana, Gananayaka, Ganpati, Sukhadayak, Buddhi, Sadhana, Gananayak, Ganapati, Sukhadayak. He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan. Then comes He Shiva Balak, He Shiva Balak, Jagapati Palak, Jagapati Palak. He Shiva Balak, He Shiva Balak, Jagapati Palak, Jagapati Palak. He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan, He Daya Nidan. Good. So now you're all an expert. You can teach me now. So there is no right or wrong way. Remember that. Just get into the zone. I have tried my level best to put it in an order, but again, the crazy mind, it goes for more, right? So just feel free to repeat. Okay, you will find it somewhere in the sheet. Don't worry. He Daya Nidan. Hey,